Hello everyone, welcome back to MEM220 lecture number 6. Let's start today with something interesting. Actually, many of you know technical drawing, engineering technical drawing, how you can draw using hand drawing. I think you suffer at that time from drawing 3D object and project it on different view, like front, top, right side or left side view. So today I'm gonna show you today how to do this in very simple action in SolidWorks. So today's lecture containing how to include a model. After we design the SolidWorks model, how we can include it to this what it called this technical drawing, plus how to change the view, how we can show the front view, top view, side view. This all of them we can show here. How to add the hidden lines from here from display style, and how to make scaling for the objects. If I want to make it bigger, 1 to 2, 1 to 5, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, make it bigger or smaller. Plus, how to change the sheet standard. Maybe also many of you learned how to project using the first angle, which is international, or third angle, which is US system. So today I'm gonna show those on the SolidWorks using these properties of the sheet. And finally, how to use the smart dimensioning in order to add the desired dimension on the object. So today our model, actually, I'm gonna show you how to design this model. We go together to draw it using normal part drawing. Then after that we will save it. After saving, we will go to this sheet, which is technical drawing sheet. Then I will show you the front view, side view, top view, plus the dimension as you see here. So everyone, please open your SolidWorks and let's start to draw together. Okay, guys, please push file, new part. We can put use this part. After we design our part and save it, then we can open another one and open drawing. But here today we go to part, then drawing. Let's open the parts. So we will start from right side, actually, because as you see before, let me show you again the part which is this one. So it's starting from this direction. So actually it should be starting from this direction, as you see, not front direction, which should be right plane. So I will go to sketch. Then let me start with drawing random line, but be careful always. I mention about this, which is mmgs, millimeter gram second system. Then using this line, we will start from this point. Please start from this point. I will go very random. So this way, then this way. Go very random, please. Then after that, we reach to here, and then we close our object. Push F button in order to bring it in front of you. So let me give some dimension. First, from this to this, it will be 96 millimeter. So dimension of this, it will be 20 millimeter. Dimension from here to here, it will be 40. So let me just make it far in order to see it better. So please now push escape button, then select this line, control, select this line, then make it equal. This is equal. And also same for this. Look, now we have equal this and this is equal. So let's go for this, push this one, control button, and then this one, and then again give a relation which is equal. Again, those two are equal. What else we have as equal? Actually, this line, and we can select this line using control button, and then we can give also equal. Okay, so after that, again, smart dimension, you can, if I give the dimension only for this, look, it's automatically become 28. Look, why? Because this is 96 and this is 40, so, and this is, both are equal, so automatically it will design to be equal. Another, let's go for this. So here is 21, actually it's not correct, it should be 15. When I change this, automatically the other direction it will be 15 automatically. I will show you again. So look, here is 21.79, and look here, this one also it's 21.79. But if I give this 15, automatically it will be changed. Give this 60 millimeter. Then what else? Also we have this line and this line. Just select both of them, this control button and then this, and then also give equal relation. So it means now look, we have this 2 look, 2 this is equal 2 line, this and this, and this 4 look, number 4 equal 4, this is 2 also equal, 5 this is also equal, this 3 and 3 also it's equal. Okay, let me close my camera in order to let you focus more on the design. Okay, what else left? Actually, the height from here up to here, I will give it 55. So 55, this is 60, this is 15. So I don't need to give this because it's automatically 40. This is automatic because I give 96, this is 40, this is 20. And yes, we still have this and this. Look, from this point up to this point, it should be exactly 20. Okay, after that I go to feature, extruded bus. I will give thickness of 60 millimeter. Then I will say okay. Now Control 7. Now we start to have our shape more or less. Let's say 50% of the shape is done. So let's start now from this plane in order to draw this part, which is this part here. It's cylinder. After that, I cut the cylinder from the middle. So let me show you here. I can select this one, sketch, and then Control 8. I go circle. Look, guys, I select this midpoint and then some dash line will appear. Again, select from this point here, and then another dash line will come. And look, it will intersect in this point. Between this middle and this middle. It will intersect in this point. So this intersection, you can push the left click of the mouse, and then you can go to this draw a random circle. So using smart dimension, you can give a diameter of 40 millimeter. Then using feature, for sure guys, before I go to the next step, in order to centralize this circle, if you want, you can, for example, push from here to here and give dimension, and from here to here and give dimension, but it's already 30-30 because I used this intersection feature before. But if you couldn't do it, you can just give from here to here 30. It's also possible as well. Okay? Also, it's possible way if you want. Okay, let me show you how to do it. If you want, you can also give. It's already 30, but I mean, to be sure, you can do this action as well. Okay, so let me go to feature, extruded bus. Then here it's 60 because I mean, it's set from previous object. I don't need 60. Actually, for this object, it's 30 only. You can see that clearly from here. Look, guys. It's here to here. It's actually 30. It's written. So let me go to put 30 millimeter. And then I say, OK. Control 7. Now we have this object. So we will select this face now. And sketch. Control 8. Now, what I'm gonna do actually, I will select this and then convert entities. Then automatically it will be converted to a circle. Okay. Then after that, you go center rectangle. You go from here up to here. Look randomly until the circle become orange. Go very random, please, guys, very random. Just the circle should be orange, not this color. It should be orange. Then push. Then give a dimension from here to here should be 16. Look, when I change, automatically will change the width of the rectangle, but those 4 points of the rectangle touching the circumference of this circle. So now what I need actually, I don't need all this shape, so I should cut it. I will use trim entities here. Power trim. Then look, I will go here. I will remove, and then I will remove this one as well. And then inside also I will remove this one. You can remove all these extras. Then I will have this shape. Only look, this only. Just let me show you. Look, this is the shape actually. So then I will go to cut it, as you see here. I will go, it's kind of rectangle with a curved edges. Then I will cut it. So let's go feature, extruded cut. And then it's not 30 actually, as it's written in the PowerPoint here. Look, from here to here it will be 20 millimeter. So I will go 20 millimeter. Then OK. Then Control 7, and I will have the shape. Almost, I mean, our shape is done. Few steps left. Okay, guys. Now for designing this part, which is cutting here, and the other direction, and we have here circle. Let's start with the difficult one, which is this one. So let me show you now. Look, guys, if you look at this carefully here, the width is 30, but here it's not available. The length is available 30, but the width is not available. Only we have here is 5 centimeter. But what I don't know what is the distance here. So this distance is not clear. But what I know, look, the height 28 here. I know the height and I know the width. So based on this drawing is better actually to cut the object from side here. We can cut from this side. So it means I should cut from this side. So I can draw this object, then I can cut. Some students, they do this action, which is drawing this one, but actually it's correct if I give you this dimension, but this dimension is unknown. So actually this is not possible here because I don't know what is the width here. So based on this, let me start. So I will start not right plane, not front plane. I will go not top. It will be from front plane from here. I just select, then sketch, Control 8. Then I will go normal corner rectangle. For sure, it should. This is the starting of the corner rectangle. I can start from here. Very random. Very random. It's not up to the end, no, because it has some height. It's starting from here, but it's end in somewhere. So let me just push it now. Then using smart dimension, this is should be 30 millimeter. The height should be 28 millimeter. So let me show you here. Look, it's 30, guys. This is 30. And here the height is 28. Then the distance from here up to the beginning of the rectangle is 15. So also I can use this information. So it means the dimension from here up to this, it should be 15 millimeter. So we are done. We are done with this one. So you can see. You can see. You can see me how it's happened. Now look, guys, we have another calculation. We should do it. So we should calculate actually the distance from this point up to this point. Okay, because this is actually if I draw with another color, so this is actually the front plane. This is the front plane we start from. This is the front plane. If you look at this, look, I mean, starting from here. So this is the front plane, and I will go from here and I cut up to 5 millimeter. So from here up to here, then here, from here to here, it will be 5. So I need to know this. So let me draw it in more clear way. So from here to here, it's 5. So I need to calculate the total distance of cutting, which is 5 plus question mark. So question mark, how we can get it? I know that from here to here, is 60, and from here to here is 96 as we designed before. So 96 minus 60, we will have 36. Okay, so the 36, let me draw it in another color. 36, this number, which is this distance plus this distance. It's two distance together. So I should divide it by 2. Then I will have 18, 18, 18. Then I can get this is 18. So the question mark, it will be 18. So this one, it will be 18. So then the calculation, it will be 23. So 23 is our cutting dimension. So let's go for feature, extruded cut. And then I will go for 23, as I told you. And then I say, okay. Okay. To make sure that this is 5, I can go to sketch, dimension, reference, then look, calculate from here to here. Look, it will be 5. It will be 5. So we are doing correct job. Okay. Control 7 to make it isometric. Okay, guys. Now there are many techniques actually to make the cut here at other direction. If you want, you can select this plane again, and or I mean not select this plane. Actually, you should create another plane. So, if, for example, you can select this face and draw another rectangle and then cut it. But there are more, let's say, simple way, which is this linear pattern from feature, linear pattern. There is what it called this mirror. Before I teach you this linear pattern and circular, but today let me teach you what is this mirror. So this mirror, it means I can select, look, I mean, if I push it, look, I can feature to mirror or face to mirror. Actually, I want to mirror the feature, which is this one. But what is the mirror face or plane? Here, it should be at the middle here, exactly at the middle. But here at the middle, we don't have anything. So we should create a new plane. So let me make cancel. So here, look, I have front, top, and right. But I need something in the middle. So I push this one. Then feature, reference geometry plane. It should be 48 because the total distance is 48. So 48. The total distance is 96, so I will go to half of it, then flip, then we will create a new plane which is called plane 4. Then let's go for feature, linear pattern, mirror. Now the mirror face, it will be this, feature to mirror, it should be this one. But how we can choose? I mean, from this tree which I teach you previous week, just open this and then choose the cut 5. Then look, automatically it will appear the preview. Then I say okay. Then automatically it will cut the other direction. One more step left and we finish our design. So we will select this face and sketch, Control 8. Then I go for a circle from here, from this center point. Then give a dimension of 26 millimeter of diameter, and from this center up to here we have a height of 17 millimeter. Then I will cut it through all using the feature here, extruded cut, Then look, it's cut it up to here. No, I need throw all here. Then I say okay, and then the object is ready. The object is ready. If you want not to show this plane floor, you can just right click here, hide, or again show. You can, I mean, do it as you want. So this is our object, is exactly similar to this object, exactly same. Now we finish from this step. Let's go to design this step. How we can do that? Now today our lecture is based on that one. So first save as SolidWorks part, please. Without saving you cannot do anything, so please save it as part number 8. I already saved it, so I will save it again. But be careful, you should save it as a SolidWorks format, please. Don't forget, it's PRT, SLD, PRT. So then I will close this object. I will close it. And then I will go to new, and then now drawing here. I will say drawing, which is new for us. Now when I open the drawing, it will give me the option for the sheet format. Let's go for A3 format, which is big, actually bigger than A4. So let's go for A3. It's ISO. You can see it's 420 millimeter to 297. It's bigger than this one. It's almost double of this one. And then I say okay. Okay. So now here I have nothing. You can open. Sometimes SolidWorks can detect the object automatically, sometimes not. So if not, you can go to browse. I can open the part which I save, which is part number 8. Then I say open, and then the model, it will be here. So then automatically it will open for me this model view. I will close it for now, just to show you, I mean, the wait. If you want to include any model, you should go to view, layout, model view, which is this one here. Here you can include whatever parts you want. So let me go and choose this one. But before choosing, as I promised you before, we should change the format of the projection from third angle to first angle, or first angle to third angle. So how we can do that? You can do that using this feature manager, sheet. So feature manager, sheet, right click, then properties, then look, it's now in third angle. It's American US standard. We will go for first angle, which is international standard, and then I say okay. Then we can return back here to this one, property manager. Let's go for view, layout, model view. Here we have nothing. Let's go for browse, part number 8. We open. Then look, the SolidWorks open for me automatically this. So I will teach you one by one what is it. First, I mean the orientation. This is front, right, and top view. So for us, we start from right actually to draw. So we can push this one. So I will go this way, right view, and look, automatically it will show me other views. You can see here. Then look, automatically when you just move, it will automatically show you the view, and even the 3D. Then, but I don't need the 3D. I can push escape. It's exactly similar of this arrangement. Why I start from right? Because the design of SolidWorks is right side. So I will show you the other way. For example, if let me just delete again, delete this one, delete this one. Let me show you again from beginning. Model view, browse, part 8. Then imagine that I start from front view. Look what will happen. Look, it will start from this. Why? Because this is actually a front view for SolidWorks. But actually we don't need it. Actually it's not correct for us. For us the front is this one. Okay. So let me delete again. Just I'm teaching you. But before deleting, if you want, you can just select, and then changing this. Look, using this way. Look, it will give you some message. Then if you say yes, it's automatically changed to the view you want. Again, I will show you. If you push does this one, if you say the view orientation of this drawing view has been changed, then if you accept or not, look. For us, we need that. Then there is the orientation. Okay, so look, when I move, it will move with us. Then let's go for the display style, which is this one, display style. Here you can choose this with hidden line or hidden line removed, or you can go for shade with edges. This way you can do whatever you want. Okay, so also this is hidden, this is also hidden. Okay, all of them are hidden. Then let's go for the sheet scale. Now the SolidWorks set it automatically to 1 to 2. It's half of the dimension, but for me I can set whatever I want. So I can make it 1 to 1. Look, I can make it 1 to 20, very small. I can make it 2 to 1, too much big. 5 to 1, but this is not acceptable. So I will go for 1 by 1, which is original dimension. Original dimension. Dimension type, it will be projected for sure here, because I mean this is projection. Okay guys, there are another way. If you forgot some projection to show, just you can click, for example, on the main one, which is this is main one. Just go to view, layout, and then projected view, not this one here, projected view. Then look, when I move here, it's automatically show me the other missing views. Even I mean 3D, it can show me the 3D. Okay. If you don't want, you can push escape again, and that's it. I mean, if just this is if you forgot to project some of the view. Now, guys, let's go for annotation, which is this one, annotation. Smart dimension. You can now give all the dimension you want. For example, from here to here, look, and this is the smart dimension. It's locate the dimension automatically. For example, this one here, this to this is here. Look, I mean, it's arranged everything automatically when you use this circle. For example, this one here to here is this one. For example, that one. For example, this to this. I'm just showing you. I will not complete all the dimensioning. It takes time. It takes time. Actually, you can complete it by yourself. Just I mean, I'm teaching you the idea how to show the dimension. But for sure, in the exam also, guys, you should I mean be careful about the dimension. So if you want to stop the dimension, just push escape and then it will return back to the normal mode. Then guys, after you finish everything, even I mean if you want to add extra stuff, for example, let's go, I want to add here a 3D object, let's say, okay. because this is only projection, front, side, and top. Just go view layout, model view. Look, already it's included this part 8, so I will push part 8. But now I will not include this. I will include the isometric, which is this one. I will push isometric here. Then look, I can add it separately. Here, for example, look, it can add it for me this. So I can also play with the scale and everything. So let me show it in this way. And also the scale, let's say it's 1:1. And then I can play with location just to make it very nice. Okay, then after that you can save it. Just control save, but the format is different a bit. It's DRW or SLD DRW is different a bit. So you should save. Then just few stuff left to show you, which is how to change the name here. Just right click on this and you can go for this edit sheet. Then look, you can just push 2 times here. You can write, for example, your name. You can add some other stuff if you want here to the sheet. After you finish, just you click this button. It just right click, edit sheet format. And then this is okay. Okay guys, now I save this file, but this file cannot work. Guys, I open my camera. Guys, this file cannot work if you don't have the original file of SolidWorks. If you don't have it, this will not work, definitely. So I will show that on the folders, on the folder. Look guys, I opened the folder where I saved my file. Look, this is the file of SolidWorks. It's called SLD part. This is in order to edit the part, but this is different format, which is SLD DRW, which is drawing. This file cannot be open if you don't have this file. If you want, we can try. Let me, for example, move this to another directory. Let me, for example, move it another directory. Okay, before moving this directory, let me just finish this. So I already saved everything. So let me close this because I cannot move to another directory without closing this. So let me close this one. Then let me just move to another directory. Now look guys, the part of this is not available. Look, is not available. I move it to another directory. So let's start to open this one. Look, if I open this, look, it gives me one error, unable to locate the file. See user Yasser AFAGHANI desktop new folder part 8. Why? Because I move it to another directory. So look what will happen. It will be like this. So guys, be careful. It should be two together, the file both together. If it's not together, it will not work. Okay, so just let me close without saving. Don't save. Just let me move again to the directory. I will show you. Okay guys, I already bring it back. This file is part 8. So let me now open this one. Let's see what will happen. Look, now the file is working correctly because this drawing is linked to this part. So this is the main. This is it's use the information from here to draw. So be careful for that. So guys, let's also save this as PDF in order to finish our lecture. So just save as PDF part 8. Then let me save it. Then I will show you what will happen. So this is part 8 PDF. I will open this one. Look, now it's become very professional worksheet for an engineering technical drawing with details, everything, dimension, everything is available, even the 3D object. So this is usually you can communicate between engineers to understand the details of any objects you want. So guys, today it's our end of my lecture number 6. Thank you for listening, and I hope you get benefit from this lecture. See you next lecture with more interesting and benefit stuff. See you and bye bye.